called Connecting the Brain to Social Emotional Learning. So our goal here is to improve classroom outcomes, both emotionally and academically and behaviorally.
And then at the top end, around that cell body, there's the dendrites, or I picture them kind of as sticky fingers. I explain them to my kids. So a reflex is an action that you can't control when it's stimulated, okay? Examples of primitive reflexes are things like the startle reflex. Just an example of if you don't use it, you lose it. So if you can see my hands here, as I'm talking, I want you to sit here and try and gain individual control of your fingers doing this. What I found is when you guys have a really good grasp of the why, then you're motivated about it, you're excited about it, and it really does translate to your students and what happens in your classroom.